Now for our starters, we do have all our starters. Our best seller here is the shrimp martini. This one comes quite big on your table, or if any of you have a birthday in August, you can go on this website, sign up so that you can get a free shrimp martini. For our mains, I'm sorry about this, but we are not serving the snow crab and the king crab today. But for your crab options, you can have the blue swimmer crabs or the mud crab. And after choosing any bag, you just choose your sauce or spice level, and then if you want to add any sides, if you like spicy food, you can go for shebang. This one is our most popular sauce here, a mixture of all of the sauces. Now, if you like non-spicy food, you can go for garlic Cajun, garlic butter, or lemon pepper. Cajun is the peppery sauce, the red sauce, and mixed bag is our most popular bag here. So 2 to 4 people, comes quite big. Chicken dishes and king classics of only 2 people. Okay. Now, if you don't like any of these, you can just custom your own bag. Minimum 2 ingredients, or these are your options for add-ons. Vegetarian options, kids options. Are you planning to take any alcoholic drinks today? No? All good then. Okay. Yeah,
so yun guys, punta kami dito guys. Sinubukan namin. Parang katulad din nung kinainan namin sa Melbourne. Pero kaya ba lang siya ng pangalan ng restaurant. Pero yung niya, mga menu, yung serving nila halos pares na. So tama yan din dito. So ito, Kamunas. Ay apron pala to. So mamaya, tingnan natin. Mag-order pa kami. Pupunta rito. Tingnan natin yung mga order. So kailangan pag pupunta ka rito, kailangan gutom ka talaga. Ako hindi ako nag-almusal. Nagkape lang kami kanina.
So here's your water.
Thank you.
And just right. Thank you.
Nagano lang kami kanina. Nagkape lang kasi alam namin nakakain kami lang. Madami ngayon tanghali. Sabit-sabit lang. Kasi ito mamaya, gloves. Magkakamay. Kamay. Mamaya pa yun. Siguro mga ilang minutes pa. Ibubuhos dito.
Here's your
Yo.
Thank you. Okay.
Yep. Oh, oyster.
Lagyan mo ng lemon.
Pwede mo lagyan ng asin, no? At pepper. Sarap ba? Sarap agad ako. Diba?
Is it your first time coming here?
Yeah. Actually, almost second time, but different brands. And when we were in Melbourne, yes, different name.
Yeah, we have some drinks.
This So it's the same, right?
Yes.
Just the name. Just the name of restaurant.
Yeah.
Just the name of restaurant. Only the different. Ah,
The same in Melbourne as well.
I don't know. So ito guys, kumuha kami ng isang kanin. Tapos, ito lang in-order namin kasi marami naman to para sa aming dalawa. Dalawa lang naman kami. So, iba-iba. Kami na. So, yun guys, kain muna tayo. Sarap to. Mahalo.
Taob.
Taob. So, ang maganda na ito, ililigpit na lang to. So, ang maganda na ito, tatapon na lang ito, liligpit. Tapos, wala nang hugasan.
Salt ba?
Salt. Pasok. Yan ay 193.
Sulit ba?
Sulit. Hoy.
Ano masasabi mo?
Busog. Subukan nyo din.
Kung 1 to 10, ilan ang rate mo?
7.
7.
7.
Thank you.